Hi, today we'll be learning more about valency. This is the structure of an atom. The protons and neutrons, they are lightly bound in the nucleus of atom. The electron are freely moving, revolving in the shell on the orbits of the atom. That is why the electron can be loosed, gain or share, but these protons are neutral, which are tightly bound in the nucleic chemical, not part in the reaction. That is only electrons participate in chemical reactions. Orbit, when the probability of finding the electronic is maximum around the nucleus. Orbital, when the energy of two or more electrons around the nuclear shell. It is the level of different energy of electron in different shell which electrons contain is denoted by KL, MN, OP, etc. Subshell, it is the subdivision of shell which is denoted by S. Sharp, P. Principal, D. Diffusion, F. Fundamental, etc. Valency is always expressed in whole numbers. The valency of most element ranges follow from 0 to 4. Depending upon the valency of an atom, elements are classified into the following categories. Monovalent elements with valency 1, example sodium and potassium. Bivalent elements with valency 2, example calcium and magnesium. Trivalent elements with valency 3, example aluminium and nitrogen. Trivalent elements with valency 4, example carbon and silicon. The valency of radical is equal to the number of positive or negative charges on it. For example, the sulfate radical with formulate SO2-4 has a valency of 2 valence electrons. Here we have 1, 2 and 3. It's better to lose to get 8 electrons more. So it is a metal. 5, 6, 7. It is better to gain 3 electrons. It is a non-metal. 4. It is better to share to get 8 electrons. It is called metalloids. Variable valency. Certain elements have more than one valency. They exhibit variable valency. Sometimes, because of different conditions under a chemical reaction takes place, the valency of the same element changes. Thus, metals like lead, tin, copper, mercury, iron, etc. exhibit variable valency. Normally, the metals donate electrons from their valency shell so as to form positively charged ions. However, some metals lose electrons from the shell next to the valency shell. In such a situation, the element exhibits more than one electropositive valency. Such elements are said to have variable valency. Valency shell or ultimate shell. Pennulate shell, prepennulate shell, K, L and M. Some electrons, they lose electrons to the outermost shell is also known as ultimate valency, and the shell before the outermost shell is pennulate shell. Some exceptional elements lose electrons from both the shells. When they do that, they can exhibit more than one valency, and so that is exhibit variable valency. Elements with variable valency. Copper. Symbol Cu. Its valency is 1, 2. Its nomenclature is cupric. Silver Ag 1 and 2. It is also called argonate. Mercury Hg 1, 2. Its nomenclature is mercuric. Iron Fe 2, 3. Its nomenclature is ferric. Tin Sn 2 and 4. Its nomenclature is stannic. Lead Pb 2, 4. Its nomenclature is plumbic.